In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open an ML file in Gmail. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and go to your inbox. Make sure you are signed into the correct account, because you will be sending an email to yourself in order to view the EML file inside Gmail. This approach works well because Gmail does not let you directly open an EML file from the inbox like a normal message, but it can display it as an attachment once it is emailed. Next, click Compose to create a new message. A new email window will appear. In the Compose toolbar, click in the message area so it is active. Then find and click the Attach Files icon, which looks like a paperclip. This will open your computer's file picker. Now browse to where your EML file is saved, select the EML file, and attach it. Give it a moment to upload fully. You will usually see the file name appear in the EML as an attachment, and the upload will finish before you send. If your file is large or your internet connection is slow, wait until the attachment is completely added so it does not fail to send. Once the EML file is attached, move to the Recipients field at the top of the Compose window. Click into the recipient area and enter your own email address, or select your own contact if it appears in the suggestions list. The goal is simply to send this email back to the same inbox you are currently using, so you can open the attachment from within Gmail. After you have confirmed the recipient is set to you, click Send. Gmail will send the message, and within a few moments it should appear in your inbox or in your sent folder, depending on how quickly your inbox refreshes. Finally, return to your inbox and open the message you just sent to yourself. Click the attached EML file to preview it. Gmail will typically show a preview view of the attached email, and you can also choose to download it if you need to open it in a dedicated email program. That covers everything you need to know.